Hi there, Prakash here from prakashevs.com. Welcome to my Continuum review. I'm inside the members area of Continuum. During this video, I'm going to give you a demo of what Continuum is, and I'm going to give you a run through of the entire software and also the training. Now, Continuum is a auto webinar training and a software by which you can run your own webinars. And it has also got a webinar app. It is software also included in the same thing. See, the webinar apps what we get outside are very expensive. They almost cost $450 per annum, which is not at all newbie friendly. And a newbie will definitely have no financial issues with this type of this one, and he will be knowing how to run a webinar but can't because the costs are very prohibitive. So now you can just buy Continuum with a very low one-time fees, and you can have your own webinars, and no you can run webinars. Not only that, there's also a done for there you will get three done for you high paying affiliate offers within this Continuum training itself. And Continuum also, it has got a step-by-step training by which you can use this method and the software. Continuum is very newbie friendly, and and it does not require any experience or any technical or marketing skill for this. Even a newbie can be able to access this particular software, and also can make webinars using Continuum. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please click on the link in the description below, and that will bring you my bonus page, which looks something like this. All you have to do is scroll down, scroll on this bonus page, and you are going to find some orange buttons like this, and all you have to do is just click on these orange buttons, and then this will be live as of the 9 a.m. Eastern on the 29th of September. But until that time, you will not get to see anything. You have to click on these orange button, which will take you to my sales page, which looks something like this. You have to go down below and click on this link to get instant access now. The front end is going to cost you only $17, and Continuum front end is going to cost you only $17, and it will be active as of 29th of September 9 a.m. Eastern. I have put a lot of bonuses, lot of custom bonuses for you, and of course all these bonuses are this is a course by Jono Armstrong, who's a seven-figure marketer, who's a very fantastic individual also, and he has put up this particular thing called Continuum, and he's my mentor. So he's doing a wonderful job mentoring us into good internet marketers. So he has put up this course, and these bonuses also all belong to him. I would like to take you through the bonuses before we go any further. Bonus number one, what you're going to get is you're going to get Stealth HD. Stealth. This is a fantastic software by which you can get a lot of traffic. As the name suggests, the person will not know, but you're going to siphon a lot of traffic out of this particular thing. And this is a fantastic. No, it will help you, and it's a course through which you will learn pixel creation, retargeting, and also building a buyers list. So this is a fantastic bonus you're getting. And the next bonus, what you're going to get is a course by Jono Armstrong, which is called Gemini, which is an autoresponder, which is no autoresponder by itself. It consists of all the tools required for email marketing, like an autoresponder and a squeeze page builder. So this is a fantastic software, Gemini. And the third bonus. What you're getting is Jono's branding hacks. See, in this bonus, you will be getting access to some very good branding hacks, and these hacks will help you get better conversion rates, definitely yes. And bonus number 4 is no, in the bonus you will be getting access through a method. You will learn ad creation and also how to hijack other marketers email swipes and how to use them as your own. So this is a fantastic no, bonus by which you can be able to hijack good affiliate marketers traffic. And bonus number 5 is you're going to get all the vendor bonuses which will be there in the members area for you to access. So you're also getting you're going to get an access to list of 40 bonuses for which you can, if you want to build your own email list, you're getting an access to 40 bonuses in the vendor bonuses, which are fantastic bonus what we'll be getting. It's a bonuses of bonuses, I would say. So you're going to get all these from the vendor along with the bonuses I mentioned above. All these are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, even if you pick up just the front end, which is going to cost you around only $17. So to get these bonuses, all you need to do is scroll down and click on these orange button here. The orange button, what you see, these orange buttons are there throughout the bonus page. You can click on any of this link and that will take you to that will bring you to the sales page, and there you can pick up the product. Once you have done that, you simply have to go to the Warrior Plus account, and on the right hand side corner you're going to find your affiliate ID, a red button on which you're affiliated. You just have to press that, and which you are going to come to a receipt page which looks something like this, and you can access your purchase here. And down below is the thing which says access your affiliate bonus, and you can just pick up all the affiliate bonuses are given to you automatically, so you don't have to send me any email and receipt and that sort of a thing is not there. You just get all these things straight away in one shot. All the vendor bonuses are there in the members area as well. So let us talk about the price and the front end, which is going to be around the front end is going to be $17, as I've been telling you. Let me talk about the different upsells which Jono has put up for us. The upsell number 1, the front end, what you're going to get is you're going to get access to the powerful Continuum software and training modules. Upsell number 1 is Continuum Pro Edition, which is going to cost you $47, but there's a downsell at 37. So no, pro stacks the value so that you can expect epic conversions here. So it includes advanced training from Jono to maximize clicks and conversions in the shortest possible time. Pro also unlocks advanced functionality of the webinar software no, to include unlimited attendees. So in your in your front end, only I think it's restricted to only 5 attendees, but whereas in your unlimited you can unlimited simulated chat, chat assistant support, and also full Zapier integration. So you're going to get all these with upsell number 1, which I think is it's I think you have to pick up upsell number 1 if you're really interested in running this particular webinar for large audiences. And upsell number 2 is Continuum Done For You, which is going to this is going to cost you around 97 US, and of course there's going to be a downsell at $67. The second upgrade will give you 5 extra pre-made webinars. See, in the front end version you're going to get only 3 webinars, but here you're going to get 5 extra webinars, perfect for all who would prefer not to work for themselves and still make serious profits. The webinar software always gives also gets an upgrade here with a powerful content discovery feature that helps get users from exposure to their own webinar. So that's the thing, upsell number 2. Upsell number 3, ultimate affiliate bundle. This is a fantastic affiliate offer what is giving us at 197 US, which is going to be which is with the downsell at 97. So you can get a full front end access to Jono's 2020 products. The lockdown formula is insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, commission bot, and Vanquish. They're all wonderful products by themselves, because I have bought all these products. I'm telling you, they're all wonderful products by themselves, and plus a front end access to all the future releases as well. That's the thing, and a bump commission to the funnel when you promote any of Jono's future products. So you're going to get this particular this one, and you're going to get upsell number 4. You're going to get the multi-license rights for the top selling products. This is also going to cost you 197, which is going to be a downsell at $97. So you will get a reseller and developer rights to Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript Commission, Bot, and Vanquish. With dual rights, you are essentially getting your own turnkey digital business to make product vendor profits without creating a thing. You can come and check these prices and these upsells at your own time. And now let us go to the sales time. Let us go to the sales page and have a look at it now. This is the sales page is going to look something like this, and I'm at the bottom of the sales page. I'll just take you on to the, yeah. Plug in this 99% done for you system that is making us 1,400 US per day plus per day from an automated software done for you and push button traffic. So this is what it is, and it is true that no, you will be making around $1,400 per day. This is a this is a very small estimate because Jono is making as much as $500,000 a month, promoting different products and his webinars. So it is. I think if you put the effort, you can really make the type of money. And here you got a full-fledged video. You can just access and see this at your own time. So now let us head over to the members area, and I just wanted to show you what the members area looks like. See, members area has got two. This one, it has got a training and a software as well. The training is no, the first video is welcome to Continuum. The second video tells a walkthrough and a software access, how we are going to access this particular software, the setup, getting your affiliate links, setting up your own webinar, introduction to AdWords and essential pixels, creating your thank you page, your landing page, checking your funnel. So it's going to teach you everything step by step into how the whole thing is going to be done. And also there is a traffic training here which is going to teach you placement of keywords, scaling and conclusion. So placements and keywords, what are placements? It's a different you have to really see the placements, and also the keywords are a very important factor in traffic. You all know that already. So this is what you're going to, and this is where you're going to access all your member bonuses, all the vendor bonuses, what is going to give you. And these are the upgrades. By chance, if you want to pick up upgrades in the future, you can just have a look at these upgrades. Now you can also get an access to the uh, yeah, just a minute. Yeah, you're going to get a continuum and access through this software. And you are here. All you have to do is just press this access the continuum app, and you just have to access the app. And there's a full-fledged training here put up for you, which you have to install this app, and it's a webinar app, and you can run through. There's a full software, and there's also a demo of the entire thing on my bonus page. You can just access the demo and a demo of the complete software. And no to get the bonuses and all of the vendor bonuses and everything, you just have to click down the description below, which will take you to my bonus page. Click any of these orange buttons here, and these orange buttons will bring you to the sales page. And in the sales page you can pick up this particular software and the training. So this brings me to the end of this review. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, kindly consider subscribing the channel, so that it encourages me to do more such type of reviews. And also share and like and comment as to how you like my review, so that until then, so goodbye, and until my next review.